open this one?
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't. It's missing it.
I think it still works.
There we go. Holy cow. Let's open
Come on, open, please.
up. I might have to take something else off the. Oh, no.
Oh.
Wow. Son, oh my God.
Sorry about your hands.
Look at that. You showing that?
Yes.
Look at that.
It's what's in every single tire. Now try and put it back on. It lashes over those black things. Is that made out of plastic?
Yeah, it's plastic.
Wow.
Plastic.
Do you hear that? No.
Alright, should I shut this?
Yes. Don't break your hands.
So yeah, see the pin there? That's how it goes in. That holds it into place.
I just put this inside the engine and see.
Oh.
Oh, dust. Oh my God. Oh. So dusty, see?
I guess we can shut these in, or you can shut that one.
Now we got a long way to go. We opened an entire engine, Dad. Alright, I can start over here. Oh, whoa.
Use your foot. What do you see?
I don't know what this does right here. That
Oh, that's a generator, I think.
600
Yeah,
volts.
look at that. Look at the voltage. 600 volts. Danger.
Now, what's that giant thing right there?
No, I can't even read that. The label right there.
Yeah, the label's gone. Shut and continues.
That's the generator.
Oh, yeah, do I hear a train?
This is a huge engine. Just give me a good idea of how.
I don't know if they could see, but.
Take a video down here.
Oh, hello, Santas. Oh, they'll filter.
Ooh,
Now it's time.
what does it do though?
I don't know. I think it comes off. Keep turning it.
Oh my God.
We're taking
It's
it
gonna-
apart an engine.
It's
Come on.
sliding down, it feels like.
Yeah, it's still going. Keep going. Now try. Almost. Don't force it off now.
No.
Man, I can barely even see it.
Oh, I see.
Whew.
That's inside the motor.
What?
They're like, hey, what are you guys doing? Well, I hope I have to line this back up.
You do. Good luck. It's not my problem, it's yours. Casually just taking apart the Union Pacific engine, no problem.
Right?
There you go. Geez, that takes a while to screw back
I don't
on.
know if I, no. Oh shit. Oh, fell.
Huh, a screw?
Yeah. Son of. Shit.
Well, they don't use this anymore. Why do you think we're doing this? It's
I'm
because they
gonna
don't
set
use
this
it.
here.
Oh, hold on. Get
God
away.
dang it, Aiden, I can't do nothing now. My hands are so greasy.
My God, Jesus.
I can't do nothing.
Yeah. We didn't break the engine.
No, we didn't.
Besides, they don't
Well,
use it.
I saw the bolt down, but I don't know how it goes in.
Neither do I. It's an engine. I don't know how they work.
Here, did you wanna-
Here, let me see in this one. Move.
That's an oil filter, fuel filter. It says fuel filter on that. Well, I took something apart that it had screws and some bolt came out and like all crap. Yeah, I am. This is thick.
No! Don't touch the iPad. Wait, hold on. Does this just turn? Let's shut it before I screw up the engine even more.
Want me to unscrew anything else?
But yeah, yours goes first.
I'll work on it. Oh my gosh.
Dad,
What?
check yours. It goes first.
Which, oh.
So cramped in here. Yeah, take it.
You can use your foot. There we go. So you don't have to bend down. Oh, see, I'm leaving little prints now. Well, I can't pull my pants up. I'm losing my pants now. Here, maybe I can use.
No!
I got it. Shit.
Here, move it. I need a record.
Filter.
Wait, we didn't open these ones down here. Filter tank pressure tap.
I think this is where.
To
air-
determine filter element change out. Yeah?
Yeah, this is gonna be hysterical. I kept showing my hands.
Okay, Dad, shut this one. Yeah.
Watch your step.
I know, I'm not stupid.
Oh, Hayden, I just wasn't watching where I was going.
Well, that's what you're supposed to do on the way, right?
There's a step there.
They put yellow there for a reason, to watch your step. What the? You can stand in this.
Oh yeah, you can.
I'm not going to go in there, though. No way. Dad, move. You're hogging it.
Oh, sorry.
I know the video. Car beds.
There's a fountain over there. You can.
Where is the fountain?
I think there's a water fountain.
All right.
I'm not certain, but we got bottled water, so.
Well, there's turnstiles you can turn, and it opens up. But
All right, Dad.
It's really weird because it drops down as you're opening it, and
We got one more little door.
this one?
Now it's what? I guess it's just for the replacement.
Oh, it's a coupler.
Wait, should we try? Or just
But
put
does
it back?
come all the way out though? Yeah, it does.
Let's try. I need.
Do it. Holy crap. Oh no, keep it open because I gotta put this back.
Oh yeah.